for a little motorcycle weekend ride. First day of motorcycle week. The rumble started late yesterday, about 2, 3 o'clock. They start here. It didn't go too late last night because we kind of had crappy weather, but yep, they were up early this morning. Hot rods and hot shots. But listening to the police scanner, not a good weekend to be running around raising hell. They were writing tickets hand over fist last night. Yeah, keep the speed limit in mind and don't be doing anything stupid. Here, the ornery one's supposed to be in town sometime this week. Try to catch up, maybe bump into them somewhere, but they sound like they had a pretty full schedule, so the odds are slim, but who knows. Posted their live stream, I think it was yesterday, and I watched the bit where they said they were coming up here and left a comment telling them about the Freedom Ride on Thursday night, and knowing how they seem to be pro-vet and do a lot of that stuff. Maybe they'll show up down there. Me, I'm hoping to make it, but Sadie goes in for new sneakers on Wednesday, and as long as all goes well, I'll pick her up Thursday afternoon, and then my cousin and I might go down and ride. So hopefully we'll see what happens. Might try to get her helmet set up so that have a little bit of audio and maybe a 5th camera. Of course, she's sitting behind me. She ain't gonna, view ain't going to be that impressive. Oh well, we'll see what happens. But last year, because of COVID, I didn't spend any time with her down at the boat launch, which is always a fun few hours sitting there down by the lake and watching people try to back their trailers into the boat launch, and folks who really don't know what they're doing, but meet a lot of good folks, a lot of good people. And so today was the first day in 2 years I went down. I sat with her for a couple hours. God, it was so much fun. Got some pictures and some videos, and a couple little seaplanes came in and landed and then took off again. Hopefully the video comes out on those. We'll see later. Yeah, a typical eventful day. Yeah, it's motorcycle rally week, so no waving going on. Or you'd have to replace your arm if you started waving. It would done get worn out. But being one of the locals, I'm just doing a little ride. Maybe I'll stretch it out some more, but yeah, just I know some of the back ways and whatnot to miss the traffic, but I'm sure we'll come across some bikers out here on the back roads. An absolutely perfect day for riding. It's about high 70s, 80 degrees. No huge winds blowing. It just doesn't get any better than this, so there's no way I'm sitting around the house all day. I'm kind of on call for work, so I guess I can't go too far, but I'll have to put some thought into it and figure out where I might be able to go tomorrow. I have an idea that would be a fun ride. Not that far actually, only about 100 miles round trip, but go up and have a beer. at a brewery up in Franconia. And we have somebody in the middle of the road. Sneak by and get out of their way and take the pressure off them. I'm going to send Captain Grannon a message, see what he's up to. Hope we get a lot of folks in town. This 1 week is so good for the economy around here. There's a couple little businesses around that this week makes or breaks them every year. Amazing when you run a small business and 1 week is oh so critical, and they didn't have it last year. So anyways, here's to a good motorcycle week. I'm sure I'm going to get out once or twice, hopefully, and catch some of the scenery and the goings on. I'll keep you posted with whatever I see. Thanks for watching.